This is a newer unit and is packed with a lot of really neat features that is going to be ideal for those travelers who might have friends or family that would like to join them out on the road or meet up for a weekend adventure. Stepping inside this 43-foot coach that has 3 slides, one thing you'll notice is that it is capable of sleeping comfortably 6 to 8 individuals. Thor outfitted this coach, and one of its unique features is that with the turn of a key and then the push of a button, you'll let down the Euro-Lift bunk bed system. So how neat is this? You expand your sleeping area in the evening time. Nice, comfy, can throw some kids up there on that mattress, let them enjoy their own TV. And then when you're going down the road or at general day activities, this bed lifts and is out of the way. What else adds to the functionality of this unit is that the beautiful seating that's over here on the passenger side will also convert. This is a jackknife bed, so it extends out and makes additional sleeping area along with your conversion dinette. So you can have a dinette during breakfast, dinner, lunch times, but then in the evening, again, when you need that sleeping capacity increased, just drop the table down, flip the cushions, and there you go. I really do like the theater seating that this coach has. It's got a nice feel to it. It's a pull-out, kick your feet up, take a relaxing evening to enjoy all of this coach has to offer. Stepping into this galley area, you will notice you can pull this slide out here. So with these composite countertops, we've extended the cooking capacity or the prepping capacity here in this galley. Now, this Venetian is an all-electric coach, so we are equipped with all of those appliances and amenities that you would see in residential living, and it has been converted into this wonderful home on wheels adventure. This is a very clean interior, so it's got nice tile work, very subtle on this neutral palette, so it allows for some creativity, but it also keeps very clean lines. At 43 feet long, with again those 3 slides, we do have the bath and a half feature within this coach. Moving into your master suite, you're going to notice a king-size bed. Now, a unique feature for this particular bed is that with the push of a button, you're going to get an A tilt feature. So you can prop yourself up if you're going to enjoy maybe a book in the evening, kicking up and relaxing while watching TV. They did not spare any amenity when they added this washer and dryer, stackable washer and dryer that we have. I love how high all these cabinets are. We've got a lot of depth there for items that you need to take on the road. And then behind this full-length mirror right here, you will see a very large closet that offers a lot of clothing, a lot of functionality, and diversity. Stepping into this master bath, you get to see the dual sinks, a neat walk-in shower, lots of storage for any of those items, again, you're needing to take on the road. So Thor outfitted this particular unit on a Freightliner chassis, and it does have that I-beam across the front. That's going to really increase that, you're going to feel real stable and comfortable when you're out on the road, which can create that stress-free driving environment. It does have a 400 horsepower Cummins diesel engine, so there is more than enough power to pull a tow vehicle or a tow trailer and moving this motorhome up and down. Thor outfitted this one in that Allison transmission. It has that Jacobs 3 system braking, so it does allow for a lot of comfortable driving modes, especially if you're going to be up in the mountainous areas and you're on a descent. You're going to really find there's a lot of comfort. You're going to feel secure as you're making your way up and down the highway. So here at Motorhomes of Texas, we have this unit priced at $242,500. That is definitely for a 2022 model. This unit is priced to sell. It is ready to get out on the road. So I invite you to come and check it out at Motorhomes of Texas.